Are you tired of the same old pumpkin carving every year? Looking for a no-carve, mess-free alternative that still wows your friends and family? In today's video, we'll explore some amazing pumpkin painting ideas that will take your Halloween decor to the next level. Whether you're a beginner, painting with kids, or aiming for a creative masterpiece, these tips will help you transform a simple pumpkin into a work of art. Ready to get started? Can I use metallic or glitter finishes for pumpkin painting? Absolutely. Adding metallic and glitter finishes to your painted pumpkins gives them a magical, eye-catching effect. Here's how you can do it. Metallic paint. Gold, silver, or copper paint can make your pumpkin look elegant and chic. You can paint the entire pumpkin or just use metallics for accents like stripes or shapes. Paint your pumpkin in a solid color, then apply glue to the top and sprinkle glitter over it. Let the glitter cascade down for a sparkling ombre look. For an even coating, use glitter spray paint to add shimmer to your pumpkin. It's a quick and easy way to create a dazzling effect. If you love these shiny and sparkly ideas, hit subscribe for more unique DIY tips and tricks. How can I create a marbled effect on my pumpkin? The marbled effect is a popular and stylish technique that works wonderfully on pumpkins. Here's how to achieve that look. Water marble method. Fill a large container with water, drop in several different paint colors, and swirl them around with a stick. Dip your pumpkin into the water, and as you pull it out, the marbled design will appear. Saran wrap technique. Paint your pumpkin one solid color, then dab contrasting colors on top. Use a piece of saran wrap to gently press and swirl the paint, creating a unique marbled look. Brush blending. Apply 2 or more colors directly onto the pumpkin and use a dry brush to blend them together. This creates a softer, marbled effect with a textured look. For more pumpkin painting tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. What supplies do I need to paint a pumpkin? Painting a pumpkin requires just a few basic supplies. Here's a quick checklist to make sure you have everything. Acrylic paints. These are the best for long-lasting and vibrant colors. Make sure to get a variety of shades for added creativity. Paint brushes. A range of brush sizes will allow you to create both fine details and cover large areas quickly. Sealer or Mod Podge. After painting, use a sealer to protect your design and keep the paint from chipping. Mod Podge is a great option to add a glossy finish. Want to recreate these ideas? Find all the supplies linked in the description below. What are some easy pumpkin painting ideas for beginners? If you're just starting out, don't worry. Pumpkin painting is fun and forgiving, especially for beginners. Here are 3 simple ideas that are perfect to kick off your painting journey. Polka dots. Use a circular sponge or paintbrush to create polka dots all over the pumpkin. Choose contrasting colors like black and white or orange and gold for an eye-catching design. Stripe patterns. Paint vertical or horizontal stripes in your favorite colors. Use masking tape to ensure clean lines, making this an easy and neat option for beginners. Color block. Divide the pumpkin into sections using painter's tape. Then paint each section a different color. Once dry, peel away the tape to reveal a fun, modern design. If you're loving these easy designs, don't forget to hit the like button and share your favorite idea with a friend who would love this too. Are there any kid-friendly pumpkin painting ideas? Yes, painting pumpkins is an excellent activity for kids. Here are 3 ideas that are both safe and fun for little ones. Finger painting. Let your kids use their fingers to create fun designs. They can make colorful monsters, smiley faces, or just abstract patterns. The goal is creativity and fun. Sponge stamps. Cut sponges into shapes like stars, bats, or pumpkins, and dip them into paint. Kids can stamp these shapes all over their pumpkins for a quick and easy design. Sticker embellishments. After painting the pumpkin in a solid color, let kids add stickers or googly eyes to create silly or spooky characters. If your kids enjoy these ideas, check the description below for more family-friendly activities you'll love. What are some creative pumpkin painting ideas for Halloween? Halloween is all about creativity, and your painted pumpkins can reflect that spooky vibe. Here are 3 creative painting ideas to try this season. Glow-in-the-dark paint. Paint your pumpkin with glow-in-the-dark paint. When the lights go out, your pumpkin will glow eerily, creating the perfect spooky effect for Halloween night. Drip art pumpkin. Use a paint pour technique where you pour different colors of paint on top of the pumpkin and let them drip down the sides. This creates a mesmerizing, abstract effect. Spiderwebs and spiders. Paint a black or dark-colored pumpkin. Then use white paint to draw a spiderweb. Add some painted or glued-on spiders to complete the creepy look. Want to see more Halloween decor ideas? Check out my Halloween playlist in the description below. How can I paint pumpkins without carving them? Carving pumpkins can be messy and time-consuming, but painting is the perfect alternative. Here's how to paint pumpkins without the hassle of carving. Chalkboard pumpkin. Paint your pumpkin with chalkboard paint, and you can easily draw or write messages with chalk. Plus, it's erasable, so you can update your design anytime. Stencil painting. Use stencils to apply detailed designs, from spooky shapes to elegant patterns. This allows you to create intricate designs without needing any advanced artistic skills. Ombre pumpkins. Blend 2 or 3 colors to create a beautiful ombre effect. Start with the darkest shade at the base and gradually fade into lighter tones towards the top. Want more non-carving ideas? Leave a comment below on which style you're excited to try. Pumpkin painting is such a versatile and fun activity that brings out your creativity without the mess of carving. Whether you're a beginner, looking for kid-friendly options, or want something unique for Halloween, these ideas will help you create stunning pumpkins to impress your guests this season. So grab your brushes, your paints, and get started on your own pumpkin masterpiece today.